Okay, look, I'm gonna admit I don't know anything about Xbox 360. I don't play it. I just really don't know anything about it. But after reading through all these guides, after they were sent to me, I really found out that the main guides on all three of these products were the same. They basically gave the same instructions, and outcome was the same on all three books. But the big difference is two things. Number one, this product is cheaper, and if you look inside once you buy it, he gives you two alternative fixes besides the main fix that everyone else has. He also has two alternative fixes. So to be honest, that's really the main difference between all three of the products. So because this one's cheaper and because you get the other two alternative fixes, the three red lights fix is hands down the best Xbox repair guide.